If you're looking for the best face mist for oily skin, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Plum Face Mist. Here comes the organic facial mist that rejuvenates your skin texture, giving you young looks despite your actual age. The Plum Refreshing Facial Mist heals all sorts of skin issues soon after sun exposure. It treats acne and pores issues precisely. The formula contains a wide range of natural products like aloe vera, ginger root, and green tea extracts. These healthy and organic ingredients ensure consistent use of this solution, guarantees you with desired outcomes. Go for it without any hesitations or dilemmas. This facial mist protects your skin and disturbs the cycle of acne formation on your skin. You can also overcome pigmentation issues and enjoy a uniform skin surface irrespective of external issues. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Giant Labs Blue Tansy Hydrosol. Widely used face mist product that attracts oily skin users to protect their skin. The Giant Labs Facial Mist has an aroma of a tansy flower that aids in aromatherapy, reducing stress levels when you breathe in it. Giant Labs Hydrosol Face Mist brings wonders to the mood by calming down soon after spraying it on the face. Gives a healthy glow and increases the complexion of the face. Refreshes skin cells and soothes the mind and skin surface precisely. Serves as a perfect skincare product. The number 3 position is held by Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. The Glow Facial Mist has a juicy content and gives maximum hydration to the skin. The extracts from watermelon are rich in water content and heal any sort of radical damage. It moisturizes the skin and removes the dryness optimally. Softens the skin cells in the presence of hibiscus flower, smoothens the skin surface. This ingredient also overcomes uneven skin tone flawlessly. The content is free from harmful chemicals like mineral oil and parabens. Purely vegan product and not tested on animals. Next at number 4 we have DermaE Hydrating Face Mist. DermaE Face Mist product is lightweight and controls the oil production on the skin surface optimally. The solution is breathable and cruelty-free. The presence of hyaluronic acid serves as a moisture magnet, satisfying the skin thirst precisely. It is a paraben-free product and is suitable for all skin types. Refreshes the skin all day and is recommended by dermatologists too. The content absorbs deep into the skin to bring wonders. Works on the skin cells and ensures radiant glow. The coconut and rose water restore the skin's natural glow using its ultra-hydrating properties. The number 5 position is held by Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. The Tatcha Moisturizing Facial Mist hydrates your skin cells efficiently. Contains 20% of botanical oils and is infused with Japanese anti-aging foods to assure young and radiant looks after consistent use. It refreshes the skin glow and uses them before applying the makeup to ensure longevity. This facial mist offers you flawless outcomes. Hydrates the skin surface and heals the problems on the skin pores. The number 6 position is dominated by Eminence Organic Skinker Stone Crop Hydrating Mist. The hydrating facial mist maintains optimal nourishing content on the skin surface. This product removes the excess oil production on the face. Gives you luminous looks and is free from alcohol-related ingredients. The content is lightweight and heals skin dryness in no time. Another inspiring factor about this formula is that the solution goes deep into the skin surface and cures the skin cell damage issues quickly. Make a slight spray on your face before leaving for the day. You can use this spray before applying your casual makeup. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Caudalie Paris Beauty Elixir Face Mist. Whether it's a quick give me a ride to work, a refreshing spray after a long boring meeting, or that after boarding a jam-packed train or bus, this natural face mist for oily skin can make you look fresh with visibly smooth skin. A few spritz of peppermint essential oil, rose and rosemary oil, and green grape at any time of day not only accelerates the glow of your face but also soothes and tones the texture. This clinically tested mist diminishes the appearance of pores on your face and can also be used to set your makeup. The number 8 position is held by Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. With this all-natural face mist for oily skin, your skin will no longer crave moisture. Prepared with plant-based and organic ingredients like rose water, hibiscus flower extract, coconut water, and vegan hyaluronic acid. Its steam distilled therapeutic essential oils are rich in antioxidants and locks in moisture in your skin. It soothes and softens your skin and treats redness of the skin. If you're looking for a skin miracle, you definitely need this face mist. Next at number 9 we have Georgette Klinger Coconut Facial Mist. Your search for a multitasking face mist ends here. You'll fall head over heels in love with this hydrating face mist for oily skin. Inspired from traditional European remedies, it is formulated with fruits and herbs that can promote your skin's natural glow. The aloe leaf juice, extracts of coconut, grape, and green tea leaves refresh your stressed out skin and moisturize it to give you a luminous complexion. Suitable for all skin types, it can also be used to set your makeup and help it last longer. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by UCANBE Makeup Setting Spray. Spritz this face mist for oily acne-prone skin to boost moisturization and give yourself a radiant complexion and spring of refreshment to your face. The airbrush design of this lightweight setting spray formulated with niacinamide, castor oil, and glycerin promotes deep moisturization and prevents your makeup from fading anytime soon. Its sweat and waterproof formula controls the production of excessive oil, leaving you with ultra-soft skin throughout the day. This cruelty-free and non-comedogenic mist is ideal to set your makeup and make it last as long as 16 hours without fading or washing away your makeup from sweat. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.